Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are alright. If you are new here and if this is your first time of seeing my face, oh my god, you are blessed and welcome to my channel. And thank you guys very much for visiting and stopping by to watch my video today. For today's video, I just want to show you how I do my wing liner. I don't really do it often, but I do it when I kind of go for a bold look, but I don't really show full in-depth of what I do and how I do my wing liner, because as you all may know, or if you don't know, I have a hooded eyes. There are a lot of people out there who have hooded eyes and find it difficult to do a wing liner, and there are also lots of beauty videos regarding how to wing the liner. So it's just gonna be all about the eye look today, just the eye, nothing more. As you can see, I'm not wearing makeup. This is my bare face. Literally, this is my everyday face, like everyday face. Okay, I'm so super moist. So the product I'll be using for my wing liner today are, I'm gonna use this black gel from Inglot, and this is called 177. It's purely dark black. Right now this gel is still moist. Sometimes it get dry, and what I use to wake it up is the duraline from Inglot as well. So I take a drop of the duraline. Oh, as you can see, it's getting oily now, and just leave it for some time and use my brush to go over it, and this is set and ready for me to go. This duraline, you can use it with any of your product, not just a gel liner. You can use it for your eyeshadow, your pigments, your foundation, just to give it that moist and waking up effect. Okay, time to zoom in. I'm pretty much zoomed in, and I was expecting this much zoom. It's been a long time I've used my zoom lens. Right, to start, I'm gonna use my long brush first to outline the wing liner, and it's already covered in a black gel. So what I do first is to follow the line in the outer corner of my eyes. As you can see, if I look like this, like be normal, you can see the line from my eyeliner, from my lash line curved outwards. So that is where my liner probably will be starting from. As you can see, the curve on the upper lid is very full. Take the brush with the liner on it and follow my line, outer corner of the lash line. Ooh, this is a bit too thick. Right, this is pretty thick, so I'm gonna change brush. Okay, I'm gonna be using the angle brush for this. So you want to follow the line. Okay, it's not too long, not too short. Let's clean the oil on the lid first, and then come close to the edge of that line, not to the tip, but just to the edge, and bring it down to your own lash line. It's as if it's connected. You literally did a angle on that corner, so literally that is our wing. You want to connect this towards the front of your eyes. I literally put a lot of product in this brush. So you want to start filling in close to your lash line, so it's purely black, and try and give your liner a straight, clean, and then you start filling it. You start filling that angle that we left out. Okay, if you want to adjust it, you can, but adjust it slightly. So there you have it, your wing liner. So even if you close your eyes, open it, it's not going to transfer to your eyelid because you actually connected properly. So I'm gonna see if I do the same for the other eye. There's a difference between this eye and this one. So this is more open and this is more closed. So with the same step I use in doing this art, I'm just gonna quickly go and complete this eyelid. So guys, I am gonna zoom out now to show you the finished look. Wow. Hey guys, I am back and this is the finished liner look. Wow, I'm really impressed because liners, just like our eyebrows, liners, they are sister, not twins. The left is different from the right hand side, unless probably I don't know, magic happened, they become really identical. It's really good, came out good. I wasn't expecting much of this. Sometimes when I do it, my liner tends to be longer, be shorter, be faster, be, I don't know, all over the place. But like today is just not I won't say perfect because nothing is ever perfect, but this is good. It would have been much better probably if I kind of have an eye look with my makeup with some lashes. Yes, that would be like a wow factor, but because I'm just on my natural beauty and I just want to look a bit different with a liner, it kind of opened my eyes, okay, because my eyes earlier on was kind of closed because I have hooded eyes, and with the liner it opened up a bit. So if I just want to finish with the eyes, I might just use a mascara and lashes and stuff like that, and I'm good to go. I really like it. I hope you guys do. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look or this tutorial or this liner. Okay, put it that way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I beg before Jesus come, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, still give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And don't forget to leave your comment below on your liner look. Do you like these type of liners or not, or what is your struggles with liner, because it's not something I do every day. Okay, let me clear that. Don't forget to click on that notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video, if you don't want to miss nothing from me. And until then guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye and peace.